this is Darlene. I'm Chuck's, I would like to think of myself as his better half. But anyway, he may think otherwise. But anyway, just got home from work, and I'm going to surprise him in the greenhouse, and let's just go see what he's up to. Chances are he's listening to the Bible. That's what he likes to do when he's working out in the greenhouse and such. But I was just going to tell y'all too before I go in. I went to some stores the other day. I was just checking prices, seeing what the stores had and everything like that, and seeing, you know, what we could charge and stuff like that. But I'm telling you, their stuff just does not look anything like our stuff. Ours just looks so much different than what's in what you can buy in the stores. So anyway, I was just really surprised by all that. Well, not really, I don't guess, but just a little bit. Can y'all hear he's listening to the Bible. Can y'all hear it? So anyway, I'm gonna get this, I'll stop this, we'll turn this around, see what Chuck's up to. Okay, y'all think we can scare him? Should I scare him? Maybe, just a little bit. Be very quiet.
She is dead.
Can't get the door open.
Took my concubine and cut her in pieces and sent her throughout all the country of the inhabitants of Israel. But they have committed lewdness and folly in Israel.
Right.
You are all children of Israel. Give here your advice and counsel. And all the people arose as one man, saying, We will not any of us go to his tent, neither will we any of us turn into his house.
What are you doing?
But now this shall be the thing which we will do to Gibeah. We will go up by lot against
I got
it,
you on video.
and we will take...
Just wanted me and YouTube land wanted to come and see what you're up to. Yeah.
Dark in here.
It's dark. It's a little bit dark.
You brought somebody with you.
Oh, hey, Kuro.
That's not Pearl.
Oh, that wasn't Kuro. Was that Marty? Mario. Not Marty.
There's Pearl.
My future daughter-in-law.
Looks like Pearl's running something.
Hey, Kuro. Oh, probably Mario.
No, maybe the greenhouse. He's probably gonna get on it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so anyway, so what's going on? What you been up to?
I've been cleaning out troughs, getting ready to put some more stuff in it. Maybe tomorrow.
Oh, cool. Yay.
And getting ready to maybe hook this up down here.
What now?
That last section started
Oh,
up.
you're gonna hook it up for the plumbing and everything?
It's already hooked up. I just haven't. I gotta turn it on, but I gotta complete. I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 more troughs.
Oh, okay. Do we
to
have
get them
enough
ready.
supplies? Do we have enough supplies?
No, but I made enough today selling lettuce to buy them.
That's what he does. He goes and sells stuff so he can. That's what he does when he has to buy some more stuff. He's like, okay, I made my money. I can go buy some more stuff. Okay, well, let's talk about what we got going on in here.
All right. Well, you can tell them about this because you did most of that. So.
Well, I didn't do most of it. I did part of
Did
it.
a lot of
Okay,
it.
so here's what happened. One night, he had to get. We had a. Is that the night we had a date night?
I believe it was.
Okay, so we had a date night, and we wanted to make sure we had our date night that week. And so, well, it was last week. So we didn't have, but we couldn't do it. He had some stuff that had to get in, but he couldn't do it like the next night because we were just slammed that next day. So we had to do it that night. So he's like, you want to come help me? I'm like, sure, because, you know, in all honesty, I really, really need to know what's going on out here and how to take care of this stuff. So we did plant up some stuff, and I didn't think I would have fun, but I really had a good time. It was so much fun. But anyway, so we planted some stuff, and let me see, we got some. Okay, I can't remember what green forest. What is this, Chuck? This green forest, is that romaine? I think that's romaine. And then we got some more Swiss chard here.
Should say it on there.
Some ants. Did y'all see the ants? Yeah, we really got to do something with these ants.
This
I don't
is,
like them.
yeah, green forest romaine.
And then some Swiss chard.
Bright light Swiss chard.
And then we got some, we got some butterheads going on, but I've renamed them. I call them buttheads now. But anyway, so we got some buttheads going on here.
It even says it right here.
Butthead. Chuck even renamed it buttheads. But anyway, this is red buttheads. And then we got some more romaine going on. Got some leaf lettuce here. and stuff. And then, but I mean, it's just grown so much from that time. But I will tell you that we just had such a good time and everything. But I once we planned them, I was cheering them on, like telling them how important they were and that they had to, you know, that a lot of people were counting on them. We're counting on them financially and for the nutrition value. And then that other people are counting on them for their nutritional value. So I was just really rooting them on and stuff. It was a lot of fun. Have I mentioned that it was a lot of fun? But anyway, here's our cow. Gosh, it's just gorgeous. I mean, seriously, this, you are not going to find this in the stores like this. It just doesn't look that pretty and everything, but it's just gorgeous. And then here's our cabbage. Is that not pretty? That one, I'm eating that one. I've already claimed him. Ooh, I don't know. That one down there looks pretty good too, though. Huh. We'll have to wait and see. But this is some of our, is this Muir?
Well, yeah, this is pretty much a lot of the same stuff you just showed them down there, except for the red butterhead or butthead.
Okay,
that's
butthead.
the new stuff that you bought.
But this is Muir. We didn't plant any new Muir the other night, did we?
I don't know.
But anyway, that looks gorgeous.
This is green butter, and this is Rex.
Yeah, green butter. They look pretty. We got some Rex.
And this is some romaine. This is that green forest romaine.
Yeah, we got some of that romaine going on. Doesn't that look
And you have your
so gorgeous?
red boar kale.
Oh yeah, red boar kale. Have we had any of
And
that
that's
yet?
that-
We haven't yet, have we?
This is that crisp lettuce that you bought.
Oh, I'm so excited about this. So this is supposed to be a very, a lettuce that's supposed to be very nutritional. Am I saying that right? Anyway, it has high nutritional value, but it's also, it gives you the crunchy. I guess like a, I'm thinking like an iceberg lettuce, right?
Yeah, it's nutrition.
Anyway, because iceberg lettuce really doesn't have much nutritional value to it at all. But then we got our Swiss chard and our,
Crazy big.
yeah, it's crazy big,
Look
but
at
it's good though. Oh, and then we planted strawberries. Hang on, I
get
can't see
over
from
here.
that angle.
There you go.
Look at that! Isn't that gorgeous? So excited. Chuck and I are going to have to share that big one.
So if anyone tells you you probably can't grow strawberries in this system, you can tell them you've seen them.
Yeah, because here's some new growth over here. So I don't know what all's going on down there, but yeah. It's exciting. We got some deal going on here. What is this? Oh, this is
That's that opal
some basil.
basil.
Opal basil. That looks like
Purple.
that's going to be pretty. And
That is
then
arugula.
arugula. And then
And that is basil that is out of control.
basil,
It's getting ready to
out of
go.
control basil.
This
needs
is
to be
basil
grounded.
here. Did you show them this?
Out of control.
This is our new basil.
Oh, okay. No, I didn't show them the new basil.
That's replacing all.
Yay! But anyway, it's just so exciting. I think that purple basil is really pretty.
Oh, it's kicked on.
But anyway, okay, and then we got some more stuff over here going on.
And it
This
just
is
kicked
his-
on.
What is this called? This is
see
called.
that?
Oh yeah. No, I didn't see it. I saw it, but they didn't.
You want
What's
to see
that
it?
mean? Yeah.
It's running now.
Okay.
You can look up underneath there and you can see that the pump is
Oh,
on.
okay, yeah.
It comes on 3 times a day for about 20 minutes.
Oh.
And it feeds the plants a diluted nutrient solution.
So what
And
you got going on
here's your
here?
mirror. Here's your mirror. That's some new
Is it
stuff we
mirror?
got.
Mirror or mirror?
Mirror. It's
Mirror.
like a.
Sounds like
I
you're
think
saying
it's
mirror.
a German word.
Sounds like you're saying a southern mirror.
Muir.
Mirror. Is it mirror?
M-U-I-R. Muir.
Mirror.
And I think they discontinued it, so
Okay.
that's gonna suck. This is more blue curled kale. That is the Muir. Then you got the Savannah, the green butter,
Uh-huh.
or the butthead or whatever, and you got
Butthead.
Rex, which is that Boston.
Uh-huh.
And then you have that Savannah red crisp that you got.
Okay, that we're gonna see if it's good.
This is Adriana butthead, and this is red romaine,
Okay.
and then that's green forest romaine.
Cool.
And you
What
got
about here?
mustard seed.
Oh,
I
yeah.
got mustard.
My mom
Um,
will be happy for that.
More green forest romaine.
Isn't that mustard that my mama likes?
Yep. And this is winter boar kale, and that's red boar.
Cool. And then that's some tomato. That's tomato.
These are all
plant?
tomatoes that I'm starting to. I'm
Okay.
probably going to sell
Okay, cool.
plants.
Oh, you're gonna sell them as plants. Okay, gotcha. What you got going on over here? Okay, here's our new tomato plants that's coming up.
Yeah, these are going to go in the new greenhouse.
Yep.
But I'm starting them in here. Going to raise them until the greenhouse is ready.
There you go.
These are big beef, and those are a it's kind of like a, I forgot what that is, but it's
something.
it's
some
heirloom.
kind of,
It's an heirloom.
It's
tomato.
some kind of heirloom tomato. Surprise tomato. Okay, so now it looks like over here we got some squash going on.
That's zucchini.
Zucchini. Okay, squash isn't coming up yet, but
Yeah,
zucchini is.
I've been pulling that up. The mice got it, so I can't.
Oh, we got mice out here.
Yeah, mice dug up. They do that to me.
Shame on them.
But anyway, I got, this is all broccoli.
Okay,
And
that's
back
our broccoli.
there,
Okay.
that's cauliflower in the back.
Okay.
And we got some. This is cucumber.
Yay.
That's
Got me
more.
some cucumber.
Some more broccoli.
Okay.
Probably gonna pitch that, and then
Yeah,
we
so
have
is
more
that doing very
strawberries.
well?
This is bare root strawberries, and this
Okay.
will look a lot different here in about a week or two. I just planted those out, and you can see they're already starting to come around.
Yay. Oh, what is that? What is that in that thing?
That's cauliflower.
Okay, cauliflower.
That's
Okay.
about to go to.
I was about to go. Is that experiment gone wrong?
No. That's what I used to plant
Oh.
those out.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
That's it. And those
What about, do you think it's too
tomatoes
dark?
down there are about to go. I'm gonna replace those,
Yeah.
and this is all gonna be
Beds like this?
this system.
Cool.
Yeah. The fish are going. They're going to Daniel over at Go for Green Living.
Yay, Daniel.
Yeah.
Can't wait for you to come get them.
He and his family.
I thought we should just have a big fish fry. But Chuck said no because he said they're his friends now.
Yeah, and Daniel can use them.
That's true.
He really could use them.
That's true. I won't be selfish, Daniel.
No. And he can use the big tank, and it'll
So,
go to a good.
We'll
home.
just have to go buy some fish to have a fish
Yeah.
fry.
Oh, we'll just go down there and see Daniel, and he'll feed us.
There you go. That's true too. That's true.
That's it.
What about outside? Was there any way? Do you think it's too dark to show them outside?
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that anyway.
Okay.
I don't want to spoil the surprise. I've got greenhouses going up out there, and I want to show them that later.
Okay. Well, is there anything else you want to talk about or tell them or?
No. I didn't even know you were doing this video, so I hope I don't look too shabby. I just came home from work, so I just came out here looking like this.
You look great. You're a fine looking man, Chuck. Oh, and ladies, he's all mine. All of it. That's what I tell him. I'm like, all this. You get all this. It's all yours.
This
Sorry.
is how we take care of our plants. When you have a system like this, you deal with a lot of aphids, and this is how you get rid of them. This is a parasitic wasp that we buy from a company, and I'm not advertising, I'm not paid by them, but they fly around in here. You'll see them. Well, not tonight, you won't. But you see them flying around in here, and they land on the plants, and they'll take care of your aphids. I also have lots and lots of ladybugs in here.
Okay. Yeah. I know they're a good thing, but they're kind of annoying. But it's
Yeah.
okay. Do
That's
what you
it.
gotta do.
And I'm
Okay.
still eating tomatoes. Lots of them.
Yum. Alrighty then.
All right, well, till next time, y'all go plant some dirt, and we'll see you.
Yep.
God bless.
Have fun.
Thanks,
Bye,
baby.
y'all. Okay, y'all. So that's what Chuck was up to. So we've got a lot going on and been doing a lot in the greenhouse and everything, but there's so much more. We're so excited about that we're so excited about the future and what the future holds with the greenhouse and farmers market and everything like that. So anyway, come here, Chuck. So one more time. Y'all have a good one. Go play in some dirt. God bless.
Peace.
Peace out. Have a good night, y'all. Bye.
Bye-bye.